Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 43 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So the first one is cordoned. So separate with a line of police, troops or guards etc. So cordon term mostly when we read in Dawn. So the police cordoned the red zone in Islamabad. So cordon meaning is to separate with a line of police to make an embankment, to separate, to segregate, to isolate a specific area. Next one, syndicate, a group of individuals or companies formed to transact some business or to promote common interest. So it's called syndicate board, mostly in universities. Next one, reservation. So feeling of doubt or uncertainty about something. Adjournment, so the act of postponing to another time or place. Reiterated, so to repeat, to give focus, to give stress on someone or something. Islam reiterated to pray 5 times a day. Decree, to order or decide in an official way. So most of the army generals passes decree. Next one, bureau. So agency, arm, branch, division, department, desk. Just like IB, Intelligence Bureau, which is one of the civilian spy agency in Pakistan. Usurping, so seize, take over, to control. Next one, teetering, vacillate, waver, hesitate, falter, to move unsteadily. Next one, ignominy, so a state of dishonor, disgrace, shame. Tangle, something jumbled or confused. Conundrum, complex. Pertinent, relevant, to the point. Resentment, displeasure. Persistent, ill, so it's called resentment. Epoch, a period of time that is very important in a history, so it is called epoch. Just like the partition of subcontinent, which is actually an epoch, just like World War One and Two, so we can say it's an epoch. Paradigm, so example, pattern, especially an outstanding. uh, Next one is sanctuaries, a place where someone given shelter. So majority of the TTP or Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan has sanctuaries in Afghanistan. Next one, undeterred, so resolute, undiscouraged. Next one, skepticism, so doubt, uncertainty, misdoubt, mistrust, so it's called skepticism. Next one, Orleans, so a city on the Loire River in north central France. So it's the name of an river in France. Next one is hammock. So a small natural hill is called a hammock. Next one is extradition. So its meaning is deportation, handover, the act of extraditing a person who is accused or convicted of a crime. So it's called extradition. Next one, deployed. So place troops or weapons in battle formation. So majority of the armed forces of Pakistan are deployed nowadays in Balochistan and FATA. Next one, artillery, a heavy weapon. Next one, tantalizing, so very pleasantly, or another meaning inviting. Pit Lochery, so it's the name of a small town in Switzerland which is called City of Conferences. Next one, Die Hard, so strongly or fanatically determined or devoted. Next one, Dissidents, so the meaning of dissident is dissenting, bigwigs, an important person, just like Imran Khan in Pakistan, so it's called bigwigs. Or we can say majority of the parliamentarians of Pakistan are called bigwigs because all these persons are feudals, landlords, influentials. So uh, we can say it a big wig. And the last one is CEO, so it stands for Chief Executive Officer. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.